TV34 Multimedia Productions. Today I'm going to be talking about the Potensic Atom drone. This was sort of a surprise to me. It is how well and how good it is. But I want to show you a couple of things which you have probably already seen and seen the reviews and different things like that. But the three things that I really like about it is the 3-axis gimbal. It has a media card slot, and I really do like the remote control. It's the way that it is set up is really nice. I got the kit that came with 3 battery pack that you can see here. I got that, which was a really good deal. Everybody talks this is a knockoff of the DJI, which looks like it pretty much is, but I've never used a DJI before, and this one seems to be really good. It's really easy to set up. This is the remote control here. It's really nice and beefy. It's one of the things that I like about it, and when you put your cell phone attached to it, it makes it looks really nice and professional, so I really like that a lot. One of the other things too is that this one connects directly to the drone, so you don't have to worry about getting a Wi-Fi signal or anything like that. I'll show you the adapter cord. You're going to plug that in right into your phone. This is the adapter cord here. Just plug it right into your phone, and it has a little slot that it just slides right into the remote control, so it fits in nice and snug. And that's the phone fitting right in, and then we're just gonna plug in the little adapter there so it'll connect directly to the phone. And that's pretty much the setup right there. We're gonna get it turned on in just a second. I'm gonna take my remote handles and screw those in. And this one I've had for not too long, but I let it set for a minute because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to really work it. And I've tested it out a few times, and the footage that I've got from it is really nice, really nice. So I'm really impressed with that. Let's get the drone out itself. Again, this is a 3-axis gimbal drone. So the quality of it is really good. You don't have to worry about shaking this or anything like that. This is the drone itself, a little cover for the gimbal camera. Take that off. And there's the camera there. And we're gonna open it up and let you see the size of it and everything. Like I say, this is one that I've really started to play around, and I really like it. There you have it. That's the drone right there. I'm gonna play around with it right now and get some footage on it and let you see how it looks. But I'm also going to put it together and show you some of the footage that I've already done with this, because it has a lot of about 5 different special features that you can use with it that are really cool. So we're going to do that in just a moment, but let me get my landing pad, because I always like to use that. Let me grab that out of the car real quick. Be right back. All right, got my trusty landing pad. Gonna pop that open and put it out here and see what we can do. All right, we got the pad ready. Okay, so got the drone here. We're just gonna turn it on. The power button is under the bottom. Got the SD card slot behind here, so it fits right in nice and smooth. Let's get ready to turn it on. There you go. That means that it's on. Let's get it over here on the launching pad. We're gonna get that on the pad there. And then we're gonna get the remote control set up. Turn that on. Okay, here's the remote control here, so just hit the power button. Just wait for it to get set up. And let me open up my phone so I can get to the app. I've already downloaded the app, so that's the one thing too, is once you download the app, it automatically connects to it and everything. So we're going to get this connected. It's already pulling it up. There it is there. And we can, says Potensic Atom, it's already got that there. We can enter the device.
Connected.
And it says connected. We just wait for it to let us know that it's ready to take off. It's got signals look pretty good. Let me adjust the camera here. So this is how it looks. And we're going to get the camera, everything set up, and we're going to get it going in just a second. So stay tuned. We'll be right back after this. All right, we're gonna take it off again, and I'm gonna get some photos and see how it looks.
Home point refreshed.
Take a couple of photos and see how it looks. Around the other way. And when you get it up a little bit higher, and move it forward a little bit and take a couple of shots and see how that looks. Go up a little bit higher. Shot right now. There it is right there, Potensic. Pretty stable, pretty good. See if I can go ahead and land it manually. Right on the pad. See if we can bring it down. right, guys, welcome back. Just finished doing a little quick drone flight, playing around the area behind me a little bit. This little playground area, so just doing some test flights around this area and just seeing what the drone would do. But I do have some video that I'm going to add to this to show you. There's 5 different unique quick shots that this particular drone does. I'm going to show you those, and also going to show you some of the test flight footage that I did. And like I said, this is a really nice drone. I really like the way it's made and everything. The 3-axis gimbal is also, it's just excellent. I love the fact that you can you're recording your information and your video files directly to your SD card, which is giving you top quality video, and that's the main thing that I'm looking for. And also the fact that it connects directly to the drone and the camera, the drone and your phone rather, as opposed to a Wi-Fi signal. So that's another good thing where you don't have to worry about losing the signal or anything like that. So nice beefy remote control that is really light, nice to handle and work with. The drone itself is really nice and smooth. It's very steady. That 3-axis gimbal just makes the footage really nice. I'll show some pictures as well with some of the shots that I've taken while up in the air. But this is what I've gotten. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like working with it and everything. So looking forward to playing around some more stuff with it and bringing you guys some more drone footage. And I'm going to get a couple of extra things to add to it and make it a little bit better. So continue watching. Stay tuned to TV34 Multimedia Productions for photography, video production, editing, drone footage, anything photography related. That's me. So also be doing some footage of fishing, me and my wife. So we have some video footage of that as well, fishing and drone footage to come along with that. So stay tuned. TV34 Multimedia Productions, Fishing Detroit. You can find both of those on YouTube. Continue to follow us along. If you like what you see, make sure that you comment, drop us a like, subscribe to the page. It would be nice if you do. And keep watching. Thanks again for watching TV34 Multimedia Productions.